Hello, welcome to BMeks Info Channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to optimize your Windows using Microsoft Tool. This tool is already built into your system, but you have to know how to make use of it to optimize your PC performance and to benefit from it anytime you have issue with your Windows PC. Head to your Windows search bar and type Store Manager, and when that pops up, click Open and go to the search bar of the Microsoft Store and type a Microsoft PC Manager as shown on the screen and click OK to install it. Just follow me on the screen and get it installed if you've not installed it on your system. It won't take up to 2 minutes to get it installed. Once you are done installing, click Boosts from here to instantly free some space. Just click on Boosts and it will run a quick scan on your system, and that will also optimize your system in a very fast way. But that's not where I am actually going. From here also, you can also do a health check to see how your CPU is performing. This is also not where I'm really going. I'm actually going to show you how to use this important tool to optimize your Windows performance and also correct so many things that are not really working. From the boost operation, you can see that some space have been freed, but that's just a temporary fix. So the first thing you have to do is to go to where you have the Deep Clean and click on it. And this will run a kind of a faster deep clean, and at the end of the day, you are going to see the total number of space that you can clean up. For instance, here, I have a 16 gigabyte that could be cleaned up, and you can see the list of all the applications that occupy the spaces. From here, you can see CapCut is occupying a larger chunk of the space. So what you have to do is to run the real deep cleaning process by clicking on it as shown on the screen, and the process kicks off. This will free a lot of space, and the end result is that you're going to have a lighter PC that will perform better afterwards. The process is on and could take some minutes depending on how much memory is being occupied by these applications. You can see I have cleared up about 4.3 gigabytes of space. You can see that from here. The process didn't take that long, but if your memory is fully occupied, the cleaning process will take a lot of time. The cleaning process, as you can see here, is fully completed. So the next thing I want to show you is how you can also use this important tool to update your virus protection if your virus protection is out of date. Just go to the left-hand side and you will see Protection and Maintenance tab. Click on it and run a quick update to update your Windows PC. This could take some minutes, and if you allow it to run to completion, it's going to update your virus protection and make it to really protect your system the way it should. And then let me also show you another important feature of this tool that you can make use of to optimize your Windows, and that is the Windows Update. This is different from a virus protection. Click on it to update your Windows as shown on the screen. So everything is embedded in this tool. Just go through it and choose any of the tools within this Microsoft PC Manager that can really help you out. So once you've done all this, you can go ahead and restart your system, and I bet you your system is going to come back to life. You're going to have a window that is fully optimized. Please, if this helps you out, don't fail to subscribe to our channel. Also share our videos with your colleagues who might benefit from these important tips I just shared with you. Thanks.